How to fix Snap not sending on Snapchat in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, open Snapchat, and then on top left corner you can see your account. Now click on your account, and then on top right corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on it, and then scroll down and click on clear data. Now click on it, and then click on clear cache. Now here clear the cache of your Snapchat. After that, open settings. In settings, click on general, and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on Snapchat. Now here you can offload your Snapchat app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.